Hi everyone, this is Julie. We're at a house here in Tyler, Texas. We're going to be putting on some shutters. This customer chose the color pecan, and also we're going to be putting some little stars in the middle. So let me know what you think. These are the shutters. Say hi, Randy.
Hi, Randy.
That can't be good for the tailgate.
Huh?
That can't be good for the tailgate.
It's forward tough.
That's pretty. Pretty color. Show everybody what you got.
What are you talking about?
Your new tool.
This time we're smart.
Oh yeah, the last house we were at, there was a wasp nest, and Randy had to play bug man again. So what you get?
I got a hammer drill, cordless, and it came with an impact.
Cool.
So
this is the first time to try that. The other one that we had, you had to do a cord, and that was a pain sometimes.
Yeah, because not all the time the customer had electricity on the front porch. So
Gotta have that. It's muddy over there. Randy thought smart, put on his mud shoes. Huh, Randy? You're smart, put on your mud shoes, huh?
Yeah. We had a pretty good storm last night.
It's muddy over there.
Muddy.
So now we're setting out the shutters on which window they go to. And then we will try out Randy's new drill.
Toy.
What?
Toy.
Your new toy. These are the stars that we got to put on. Just the iron stars. They look cute. I'm going to put one in the middle of each shutter. Did you make that tool shoulder thing, Randy?
You're making fun of me and my tool
Is that
bag?
homemade? How'd you make that? Maybe you need to invent something like that. Instead of on your waist, you put it on your shoulder.
Because fat guys don't have waists.
So what are you saying?
I'm saying fat guys don't have waists.
I think that color is going to look pretty on my house. I think you did good.
I think so too.
What were you going to say?
Let's get to work.
Try out this bad boy here. It is muddy. Look at that. You gonna let me help you there? You good?
I think so.
Okay, let me see. You want me to hold it?
Let me see if I can do it.
Whoa. We try to put the screw up above so it's not so noticeable, and then down below that crossboard. There you
have it. Another fine shutter installation.
You're not done yet. You still have 7 more. Plus the stars. You like it?
Yeah.
What do you tell everybody on YouTube
I
about
like
that
it.
drill? What do you rate it?
It's I'd say probably at least a 9 right now.
Cool.
We'll see how the battery holds up though.
Okay, so we got the shutters hung up. Now Randy is measuring to put the stars on. This right here. And when it's done, it will have that look right there. Still got shutters to put over there. Oh my gosh, stepped right in a mole. I mean a mole. A hole. I meant to say holy moly. Stepped right in a mole. Look at that hole. Okay, I'm gonna hand you this. Since you've got your mud boots on and a change of shoes. You probably don't have it in the hanger. Might be above the hanger. Huh? I guarantee you, look at that one. Look at it. Take it off. See where it's at. It shouldn't move like that. That's
exactly where I had it.
my bad. Hey, don't fall in that hole right there. Looks so pretty. He picked a great color. Two more. Well, y'all, you let me know if this made this house pop. It went from pretty to beautiful. Done. Voila. I hope you liked today's video. Please like and subscribe to us, please. We will be doing, every time we build something, start to finish, we will be showing y'all and the install process and what the before and after pictures looks like. So please subscribe. Thanks, y'all.